Hi, today I will show you how to stop apps from starting at your PC startup. This will not only clear your PC from clutter at startup but will make your PC boot up faster. To begin, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC for escape. Now in the middle left side of the screen you will see Startup Apps. Press it. Once here, right-click on all items, then press Disable. Once you have disabled all items, your PC will boot faster and look cleaner at startup. I hope this video was able to help you. If you have further questions about this topic or another, please don't hesitate to comment them below.